see here, the water is built up and it's flooded way up into that forest up in there. And if you keep going, you get into this business right here. Now it's gone down. You see the watermark on that boat? It's gone down about 6-8 inches. They got water in their business again. And if you look, the pipe blocking this road, the ditch blocking this road, is not flowing very well. Then it comes over to here, and they're also not flowing very well. You come up here to this business right here, and you can see it's trying to go down right there. You can see the little swirl into the drain. So that's not quite keeping up. So the pipe underneath this road is not working. And then you follow it across, it's flooding out that driveway. It's actually going around the driveway. You can see right there. And then it comes out of that pipe. And you can see this water over here is markedly lower. Into another roadblock, and you can see right there where it's trying to get underneath this little road, but that pipe is inadequate, and all that water is draining right out of there, and it's not enough. And if you look, that drain pipe is doing fine. I suspect this pipe isn't quite big enough as well. It's trickling out of there. Then it goes underneath this road, no problem. And if you look at the main ditch out to Lake Houston, it's nowhere near its capacity to handle all that water from back there. So those 2-3 drain pipes back there are resulting in flooding that whole corner, all the property, the commercial property, the residential property, when they could be allowed to water into this ditch.